Hi there, thanks for checking out Calendly. In this video, we'll walk through our 4 different pricing plans so you can better understand which one is right for you and your team. The free plan is always free and offers simple but powerful features that everyone can use to schedule smarter and save time. With the free plan, you can connect one of your calendars, and we've got integrations with all the popular providers. Once you connect your calendar, Calendly makes sure that people only book appointments during times you're available. On this plan, you can set up one one-on-one event type with no restrictions on how many times you schedule it. Real quick, if you're wondering what an event type is, imagine a meeting template that you can customize and use over and over again. So one event type for, let's say, client consultations could be a 30-minute one-on-one meeting on a video conferencing tool. And another event type could be a 15-minute phone call. On the free plan, you can also use meeting polls to schedule an event for a larger group. Once everyone votes for their preferred times, you can easily find a meeting time that works best for the group. If you need a more flexible option, the free plan includes one-off meetings. With one-offs, you can offer, say, an important client, meeting times that don't follow the availability rules that you set up for your single active event type. On the free plan, you can also take Calendly everywhere you go with our mobile app, add your booking page to your website, and connect to web conferencing integrations like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and more. In case you're curious, all of these features are included on our paid plans. Most pros using Calendly quickly upgrade to the standard plan. Both individuals and smaller teams choose this plan to explore Calendly's collaborative scheduling options and to unlock some features that automate more than just scheduling. Here are the 6 main reasons that people select the standard plan. On the standard plan, you can set up an unlimited number of one-on-one, group, and collective event types that you can use over and over again. Now, we've already talked about the one-on-one event type. It's great for any basic meeting with one host and one invitee. But if you're hoping to host a class, a training session, or a webinar, then you'd set up a group event type. Group event types allow multiple attendees to book the same time in your calendar. And last but not least, if you and your team members are looking to easily co-host a meeting for external invitees without all the back and forth, you'll have access to collective event types. Collective event types allow someone else to book time with you and your team members. On the standard plan, you can connect up to 6 of your calendars, instead of just the 1 on the free plan. When you connect all your work and personal calendars, you'll avoid even more scheduling conflicts. And as always, Calendly will ensure that the specific details of your calendars are always private. You'll get way more out of your existing tech stack when you connect Calendly with tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Zapier. Plus, payment integrations like Stripe and PayPal empower you to collect payments when invitees book time with you. With the standard plan, you can make specific customizations to your scheduling page, including adding a cancellation policy or directing your invitee to the next step after they've booked. This way, you can create impressive custom experiences without development or design costs. You'll also gain access to all the automated workflows. Think email and text reminders, follow-up notifications, reconfirmation emails that reduce no-shows. Plus, you can customize them all to your liking. Lastly, on the standard plan, you can use Calendly Analytics to quickly discover scheduling trends within your business, such as popular meeting times, top performers, and the most in-demand types of events. To sum it up, if you're looking to spend less time on the admin tasks and more time on the meaningful work while offering a more polished scheduling experience, the standard plan is a perfect choice. The Teams plan includes all the same capabilities as the standard plan, and on top of that adds more customization and control, some key integrations with tools that are likely in your tech stack, and some helpful team features. And I'll note that while this plan was built for teams, it's also available to individuals. Most teams using Calendly choose this plan so they can collaborate more efficiently and meet with customers, prospects, or candidates faster. Here are the 5 main features that help teams do this. You can use round-robin events to offer more availability to customers and share meeting opportunities across your team. By pooling team members' calendars, you can surface more time slots for customers to choose from. Round-robin is ideal for sales, customer success, support, recruiting, any team with a high meeting volume. With Calendly's Salesforce integration, all records will be automatically updated anytime someone books a meeting with Calendly. This direct integration is especially impactful for sales and customer success teams. With Calendly routing, you can use your existing marketing forms to qualify website visitors before they book with you and route them to the right person's scheduling page. There's no need to change your setup. You simply add scheduling routes to ensure qualified leads get instantly directed to the right person. No email follow-ups, no time lost, and no leads left behind. And if you don't have existing forms on your website, you can create your own right from within Calendly. Administrators on the Teams plan can use Calendly's admin management capabilities to control and standardize event types, to make sure all their team members provide consistent event experiences to whomever they're scheduling with. Plus, onboarding new team members and updating event types takes just a few clicks, all from one centralized location. Last but not least, you'll have the option to add single sign-on to your plan. If you're not familiar, single sign-on is a popular security feature that allows you to control access to Calendly and automate employee onboarding and offboarding. After purchasing the Teams plan, you can reach out to our support team to set up this add-on. To sum it up, the Teams plan works well for folks who want to add faster, efficient scheduling into their existing team workflows and tools. The Enterprise plan has all the same scheduling features as the Teams plan, but adds high-touch support, advanced security and admin controls, and features that directly impact company performance and customer experience. We call it the Enterprise plan because it meets the demands of the most security-conscious companies and supports the needs of sophisticated sales, marketing, and recruiting teams. We've got thousands of customers on the Enterprise plan, including teams from companies you've probably heard of: Dropbox, eBay, Lyft, L'Oreal, as well as some of the largest financial services and tech companies in the world. IT teams love the Enterprise plan because it makes securing their companies easier. Domain control ensures new employees signing up for Calendly quickly find and join their teammates in the primary IT managed account, so they can get up and running with the features and integrations they need without any support tickets. IT teams sleep well at night, knowing that Calendly also provides SAML single sign-on, think Okta or Ping Identity, and advanced user provisioning via SCIM to onboard and offboard employees. Our Enterprise plan also offers activity logs, communication auditing, and more. When it comes to inbound sales and marketing growth, the Enterprise plan takes website scheduling to another level. On this plan, you'll gain access to intelligent routing and scheduling with real-time Salesforce data. This means that existing customers or leads get automatically matched with the right rep. We hope this overview was helpful, but if you've got any questions or you're looking for more guidance, feel free to reach out through our Help Center. Happy scheduling!